Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix or remove F66 error on Miele dryer. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now in this case, you might be wondering what is the cause of this issue? How do you exactly fix this? Well, the thing with this error here, it mostly stems with the issue with your fluff filter. So just the idea, this is from the official website for Miele here, and usually default F66 here again is because of your fluff filters. Now usually if your fluff filters contains a lot of debris, or in this case the filter is already full, you need to just clean the filter itself. Now how exactly do you do this? Now usually in your dryer at the bottom left, you should be able to see a panel here, which in this case you just need to open that up, and usually this is what the filter will look like. Now, usually the filter, if it's actually quite full or it's already filtering enough, you should see a thin or thick layer of fluff here. So you just need to remove that, and also you might want to rinse it for a bit. So if you have running water in your area, you might want to run or let this run there for a few after removing the fluff, obviously. So remove the fluff, then let water run through it, maybe clean it around. And from then on, once you fully or thoroughly clean this, you want to go ahead and put it back in and see if that solves the issue. Now, by the way, you might want to look inside as well and see if it's actually dirty. So if you see some fluff, you might want to clean that as well. Now, if this doesn't solve your issue, it means that the problem itself is a lot heavier than you think. So you might need to reach out to Miele's customer support to get assistance on getting this fixed. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.